What all? How are you today? All well and good, I hope. So this is a quick tip for your tripod. If you want your tripod to blend in a bit, so whether it's the outdoors like this or just take the shine off if it's silver or if it's got lots of colour on it, try this. You'll need some of this self-clinging wrap. This is a camouflage version for obvious reasons, but you can get it in all different colours, greens and blacks and all that sort of thing. You'll also need some electrical tape or similar, duct tape, something like that, and of course a pair of scissors or a Leatherman tool. And this is how it's done. Get your tape and you want to start from the bottom of the leg and work your way up. Okay, the reason for this is as it's wrapped around, if it's the other way, you're going to catch it and it's going to start to peel, and that is never a good thing. So start off down the bottom and we're just going to keep it nice and snug on there like this. Make sure you get no creases in there to begin with. There we go. And we're just going to slowly work our way up like this. It's not the most exciting process, granted, however, it does work. And as we go along, what we're going to do is we'll just make sure that it's nice and snug on there, like I say. There we go. You can stretch it as much as you like, that's the beauty of this tape. And then what I'm going to do is just release this. So I've got a bit more to work with, the movement of the leg. And that is where we go. So about there. And at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my scissors here. I'm going to snip across here. Like this. Pop that down. And that can go round, just wrap round to the other side like that. I'll just tap that down like so. And then this is where you want to get your tape. I've got green here obviously, and just simply pop that on there. And I'm going to go round to follow the line of the tripod leg at the top here. Bring that round like that, and do a couple of turns maybe. And at that point, again, just get the scissors, give it a snip, and lay that flat. And if you want, you can do it down the other end as well. And in fact, I might do that in a moment. But that is essentially how you do it, and you just do that across each of the legs, and it looks really, really neat. Around the lower section of the leg here, just to keep it nice and tidy. Couple of turns again. Like that. Get my scissors. Snip that. Make sure it's nice and flush. There we go. I'm just going to repeat that for each of the other legs. So there you go, that's the finished article, and as you can see it does break up the lines a little bit. It's not intended to make it blend completely in with the surroundings, but like I say, if you want to take the glare off the legs, and you just want to, fit in, blend in a little bit with your natural surroundings, it's a really good, cheap, quick fix.